At the flower shop. Hi there. I'm looking for some flowers to brighten up my room. What flowers do you recommend? Well, we have a wide variety of flowers here. What is your favorite color? I love pink and purple. I would suggest these roses and carnations as they come in a beautiful shade of pink and would look great in a vase. Those are lovely. Do they last long? Yes, they can last up to a week if you remember to change the water every other day. Perfect. I will take them. Do you also have any potpourri or scented candles to match these flowers? Yes, we have lavender scented candles and lavender potpourri. Great. I will take those too. Thanks for your help. At the restaurant. Good evening. Welcome to Ellie's Steak. How can I help you?
We made a reservation for dinner.
Can I have your name, please?
Tom Evan, a table for two at 7 p.m.
Yes, please come this way.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Certainly. Would you like to have regular water or mineral water?
2 mineral waters, please.
Sure. Here's the menu, sir.
Before ordering, can you tell me what the famous dishes are in this restaurant?
Seared beef sashimi, blue cheese, cured eye of the ribeye, and Wagyu steak tartare are the most famous dishes of our restaurant. Lamb noodles are also one of the most popular dishes in the restaurant.
I would like to have 1 blue cheese cured eye of the ribeye and 1 seared beef sashimi.
Would you like to have anything else?
1 shredded Brussels sprout salad and 1 order of lamb noodles.
Would you like to have any drinks with your meal?
Mulled wine cocktail, please.
Absinthe Hemingway, please. There will be a short 15-minute wait. Your dishes will be here shortly.
Thank you.
If you need anything else, please let me know. At the pet shop.
Hello, can I help you?
I'm planning to adopt a pet. Could you give me some advice?
What kind of pet would you like to have?
I'm deciding between getting a dog and a cat.
Cats and dogs have different needs and characteristics. I think the decision depends on the lifestyle you have and your personal preference. If you're an energetic, outdoorsy type who loves keeping active, a dog may be the right choice for you. Dogs need lots of fresh air, open space, and regular walks.
My work is quite busy. I don't have much time to walk the dog.
If so, you might be better suited to a cat. Cats are relatively quiet and are happy to be left alone to sleep and entertain themselves for most of the day. They don't need walking and don't need as much indoor space as dogs.
Thank you for your help. I have made the decision. Could you take me to see some kitties?
Yes, of course. Please follow me this way.
At the concert. Excuse me, is Post Malone performing today? Yes, he is. What's the problem? Phew, I was just afraid that I came on the wrong day. I didn't see any fan-made banners for Post Malone, so I was wondering. I see. Don't worry. Do you want to join me? It would be my pleasure. By the way, my name is Alice. Nice to meet you, Alice. I'm Amy. How long have you been a fan of Post Malone? I've been a fan for about 3 months. Unbelievable. Did you come to his last concert?
Yeah, that was my first time listening to his music, and it was absolutely gripping. What's your favorite song by him? Everybody is crazy about Sunflower, but I think Better Now is the best. Me too. Really? So glad that I've met you. By the way, do you know whether we can video him today? I remember one of the staff asked me to delete all of the videos in my camera during the last concert. Oh, it's too bad. But don't worry, we can still record the videos by our cell phone or take photos. Cool, that's all I need. God, look around. It's almost jammed. But we'd better feel lucky because nobody is blocking our view. You're right. We are in a good spot. OMG, Post Malone is coming onto the stage at the bakery.
Welcome to David's Bakery. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to order a birthday cake for my son.
We have many brand new birthday cakes right over here. Please have a look at them.
My son loves chocolate, so I'm quite in two minds about this one and this one.
This one is tiramisu and this one is brownie.
I think I'll go for the tiramisu one.
What cake size would you like?
I'd like a 6-inch one, please.
Got that. What kind of message do you want me to write on the cake?
Happy 10th birthday, Tony.
Oh, your son is 10 years old now. He's the same age as my daughter.
Really?
When will you come to pick up the cake?
This afternoon. Is 3 p.m. okay?
It's totally fine. We'll prepare the cake before that. We'll also give away 10 candles and 3 birthday hats as a gift to your son.
Appreciate it. I'd love to walk around your store for a bit.
Please enjoy your time here.
At Trader Joe's.
Wow, look at all these snacks.
Focus, Emma. We need stuff for dinner.
Fine. What do we need?
Pasta, sauce, maybe some salad.
This pesto looks good.
Yeah, but is it vegan?
Oh, wait. It says it contains milk, not vegan.
Let's get tomato basil sauce then.
Okay. Do you want the fancy pasta or the regular one?
It's just pasta. Get the regular.
You have no taste.
Emma, look. Pumpkin ravioli in April.
Trader Joe's is full of surprises.
Let's check out before you grab more chocolate.
Too late. Already did.
At CVS Pharmacy.
Excuse me, where can I find medicine for a runny nose?
Aisle 4, next to the vitamin gummies.
Great. My nose has been running like crazy.
You sound like a broken trumpet.
Yeah, I can't hold it. Thanks for the support, by the way.
Anytime.
Okay, there's like 10 kinds of medicine here. What's the difference between day and night?
Day won't make you sleepy. Night will help you rest.
Got it. I'll take both.
Smart. You can suffer 24/7.
You're so kind.
I try. Do you have a CVS Extra Care card?
No.
No worries. You can sign up and save a lot.
I'll think about it. First, I need to fix this non-stop runny nose.
No problem. You can sign up anytime when you come back here. At the dentist.
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Wilson.
Okay, please have a seat. The dentist will call you shortly. Mr. Johnson, Dr. Wilson is ready for you now. Follow me, please. Hello, Mr. Johnson. What seems to be the problem?
Hi, doctor. I've been having a terrible toothache for the past 2 days. It's really painful, especially when I eat or drink something hot or cold.
I see. Let's have a look inside your mouth. I can see a cavity on one of your molars. That's likely the cause of the toothache.
Oh no, what should I do?
First, I need to know your eating habits.
Well, I enjoy sweets like candy and soda, and I often snack on chips and cookies.
Those sugary and starchy foods can contribute to tooth decay. I recommend cutting back on them and choosing healthier options like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products.
Okay, I'll try to be more mindful of my diet.
Good. Now, for your cavity, we'll need to perform a filling. This will remove the decay and seal it to prevent further damage.
All right, let's do that. I want this toothache to go away.
Don't worry, we'll take care of it. The procedure is quite simple and shouldn't take too long. There, all done. How does it feel now?
Much better, doctor. The pain's gone.
Excellent. Remember to practice good oral hygiene and watch your sugar intake to prevent future cavities.
I will. Thank you so much for your help.
At the hotel. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Beachside Resort.
Hello. I have a reservation for 2 nights.
Certainly, sir. May I have your name, please?
It's Michael Jack.
Okay, let me look that up. Ah, yes, Mr. Jack. We have your reservation for a standard room with a king-size bed.
That's correct.
Wonderful. Could I please see your ID and a credit card for incidentals?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, sir. Here is your room key. You'll be staying in room 312 on the 3rd floor. The elevators are just down the hall.
Great, thank you.
Our pool and hot tub are open until 10 p.m. if you'd like to use them, and our restaurant is open for dinner until 11 p.m. if you get hungry later.
Actually, I am quite hungry after my long drive. Could I place a food order now?
Absolutely, sir. Here's our room service menu.
I think I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich with fries.
An excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, a glass of iced tea, please.
Got it. A grilled chicken sandwich, fries, and an iced tea for room 312. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Mr. Jack. I'll put that order in right away. Your food should be delivered to your room in about 30 minutes. At the police station. Good morning, sir. Can you state your name for the record?
Yeah, it's Jim Davis.
All right, Mr. Davis. Do you know why you're here at the station?
Honestly, officer, I'm a little fuzzy on the details.
Well, let me explain. Last night, around 2 a.m., you were found passed out on a bench in the city park.
Oh no, I think I remember now. I went out for drinks with some buddies.
That's correct. When our patrol officers tried to wake you, you were heavily intoxicated and incoherent.
I'm so embarrassed. I clearly had way too much to drink.
Indeed, public intoxication and sleeping on park benches after hours is against the law, Mr. Davis.
You're right, officer. I made a stupid mistake. I'm really sorry about that.
Ecology noted. However, there is still some processes we need to go through. For a first-time offense like this, you'll need to pay a $200 fine for public intoxication. We'll also have to take your fingerprints.
I understand. I'll pay the fine, of course. This won't happen again.
At the hospital. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm here for my appointment with Dr. Smith.
Let me check. Yes, you are scheduled for 10 a.m. Please have a seat. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you.
David, come on in.
Good morning, Dr. Smith.
Good morning, David. How are you feeling?
I've been having some headaches.
I see. Let's check your blood pressure first.
I got it.
Your blood pressure is normal. I'll prescribe some medication for your headaches.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care, David. If you have any questions about the medication, feel free to ask.
Thanks, I will.
Remember to take it with food and drink plenty of water.
Got it. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a good day, David. At the jewelry shop.
Hi, I'm looking to buy a ring.
Of course. May I ask what the purpose of the ring is for?
I'm actually planning to propose to my girlfriend.
That's wonderful. Do you know what size she wears?
Not exactly, but she has slender fingers.
All right, we can measure her finger size here in the store.
Great. Also, I was wondering about the diamond. How should I set it?
We have a variety of settings to choose from. Would you like a classic setting or a more modern setting?
I think a classic setting would be perfect.
All right. When do you need the ring by?
I would like to have it in a week or two.
Perfect. We can have it ready for you within that time. Would you like to place an order for the ring?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.